the be sorry the Kotoko compare teams akese no ewo Europe no. Kotoko company should come out with a plan to run Kotoko or to manage Asante Kotoko. Proper plan to manage Asante Kotoko. And only idea Asante Kotoko here. And yet the way I was running Asante Kotoko for now. Ever since you many fear decent me supporter and then be Kotoko echi. All the time Kotoko bet mark of players be 20 aba. Season never near Pamo as a for Frebugum. Old tradition in Shianshi in Femfrim. And only the way I Kotoko, but before she ran Kotoko. So we see Kotoko at Real Madrid. It will follow the first steps of the European leagues now. I say European clubs now. Argentina, the way almost see every no team. Follow the same procedure. Eya Kotoko then they different. Eya odino wa want to see. But you wait me follow, wait me so like, wait me so share, wait me so subscribe, wait me so as an stars or comments me so betim diaba. Ewo honom so. Mediane Nana Poko. No be a good evening. Baby, we hear me free Spain, Buenas noches. We hear me free France, bonsoir. Ewo honom so. And also hear me free Canada, USA, Australia. Mediane Nana Poko. Sena Mekano. Yesi Kotoko a professional club, so it should be run professionally. Kotoko should have quality players. And yes, I feel now season we need a pam a whole lot of players. Yes, I could players be 15, 20 as I begin. Old traditional, yeah, that's what ye. The beyond the sign. Anything new, beyond my Kotoko. And then the Kotoko should be modernized in a way say a very attractive and comfortable share. Teams no for Ghana be free Asante Kotoko. Kotoko should be what they say Kotoko should be pace setters. But Kotoko no it's not Kotoko a professional club. But you bet my pam players be brave. Yes, I cover players be brave. We know a Kenya idea player Kotoko players or Omina they find a be a defense one. Ebi a honom players back me be enkoyi honom ya koto player back we be show midfield ya koto attacker no e de back we be show ebi a so you see enya duduro re bia average players bi honom omba kotokota so omba kotokwa so mo omu teams na omu she kotokoma omba iro mo abobo be di mani tutu form no me de ma hu no player bi honom a o woni ebi a o lower ayini bi sa Ushia Kotoko, the way obesi a performing on or Peso Kotoko Betono. Kotoko Eco Nakotoni sa performance now with Shia Kotokono, Odisha Santi or Odisha or Mono. Want me a mobile. In time, Busam was a ending panifono. Aya, almost share sa players no Mushia Kotoko. Now, Moira Mubo now Kotoko Niji or Moshio Goose, Editas and the Kotoko Niji and Kotomo. Ever motion or more previous games. Say, and yet, Ushia Kotoko Nino, while in a one or Bobos, I per se betono. Kotoko, but before I was so munya Sanko for a more share Sunny Manina. Is it your Ushia Kotoko? I don't have a community for Basan Placotoko. No, by G. Skakasi. Also, ultimate Mobon, no Kotoko, Boka Huno. Happy several times. True players will be Abakotoko through this means. Namuda Bas and Tokotoko. Bombaso on performance no and yet and players need to maintain Tomasi. Play one more or team be Sika Waji. It be a 500 Ghana, 700 Ghana, 600 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana. Bobokotoko with Mutual Kabia. It be a 10,900 and 9,000, 7,000. But still. I went to mean perform it. The say no, I was going to take off our form because Sekotoko supporters and we say we a player, we don't a boboa Look at the way Omusi a pampao after the games with me chibi musika near the other. But ebinom epokotokwa omuntimi because omun crowd no komuntimi. Omuntimi even crowd omun kotokwa tade no kwa na ebi mu kra epopo. Na nkampese obegyina field no kra so obehu kotoko support so omugu ho. Kotoko should be run professionally. My nye duduru rebiara. Player bi kakana bi hakofa na ba. Division 2, Division 3 players bia omo ba nka mo special bia kotoko junior team no na omo ho na mo steady side players ni kakra mo hwe de obo no mo de kakra na bia mo promote na ba senior side na ono so oni players no experience ones no so no so agati experience e wo honom but obi free Division 2 Division 3 na e dey be senior team ontimi perform ehu crash ni mu no dey wo no Kotoko company for should come out with a plan, proper plan to manage Asante Kotoko. So mo se Kotoko te say Real Madrid ni Barcelona ni Chelsea ni Manchester ni Liverpool mo they should come out with a proper plan to manage Asante Kotoko. Enya current a year ye manage Asante Kotoko no. Old traditional, nothing more, nothing less. Kotobugum pamomu Kotobugum pamamu sa na ede run Asante Kotoko e wo ho no. And me say Kotoko is being run like that. Also Kotoko ye example and other teams no follow. Africa Club of the Century. Ni player be also say Kotoko just no. Ni player bia. Players am ko to mo buy am pon mo na so be na ba so. Kalu Watala share 2 goals bi motimika ko fanaba. What is all this? Sylvia Mankona el bekum Chelsea. O bobo you know ba Kotoko. Look at this. One perform oh. Mpenifone internase. Now coming out with a proper plan to manage Asante Kotoko, to run Asante Kotoko. That is the way forward. Enya Kotobugum hwi Kotobugum pamam bia ni na wo say run team no we must some team hwe me so salon peace betumi so afro betumi so Asante Stars now that boy e don want some team papa